Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, students. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you, students? Ramadan Mubarak, and I hope all of you are fasting today. Ramadan is a blessing of Allah, and indeed, Ramadan intended to increase the self-control in all our areas, including food, sleeping, our time, and in this month, according to the Hadith, every deed of son Adam will be multiplied between 10 and 700 times. It means that your deed will be increased 700 times. Your good deeds will be increased in this month 700 times. And Ramzan is like the rain, it nourishes the seeds of good deed. Okay, students, now come to our today topic. Today, inshallah, we will start our chapter number 6 about factorization simultaneous equations. Now, I'm just giving you the review of the formula of class 7th. I think when you see the screen, you remember all the formulas that we have done in class 7. The first formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The second one, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then a plus b into a minus b, because there is no sign in between two brackets and there is no square on the brackets. So that's why the product of these two numbers, both numbers are same and they have the opposite sign in between them. Our answer is, our formula is a square minus b square. 4, 5 and 6, these three formulas are new for you. X plus 1 over x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 over x square plus 2. Then x minus 1 over x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 over x square minus 2. And then x square plus 1 over x square whole square is equal to x4. Because we are taking the square of square, that's why the power of x become 4. X4 plus 1 over x4 plus 2, and we use these 6 formulas in our exercise 6.1. Yes, now come to the question 1. 6.1. Evaluate square of each of the following. You see different numbers are given, and in the note they said that the following question by using formulas. We can solve them directly, but we are bounded by using the formulas. So according to the formula, we will simplify this question. The first part is 53. First we see that 53 is the sum of which two numbers? There are infinite number. When we add them, we got 53. I write here some numbers: 50 plus 3, 51 plus 2, 40 plus 13, 60. All these numbers, when we add or subtract, we got 53. But when we are doing this type of question, we always choose those number in which on the unit place or ones place must be 0 over there. And there is positive or maybe a negative sign. Because when we have a 0 on the unit place, it will easy to take the square of that number. So I choose 50 plus 3. We can also take 60 minus 7, because in 60 also the 0 is in unit place. But it's up to you. In question number 1, we are applying the plus formula. So that's why I choose 50 plus 3. You also can take 60 minus 7 at the end. The answer will be same. Either you solve with 50 plus 3 or 60 minus 7. Now I write 53 is equal to 50 plus 3. We need two numbers because according to our formula, we need A and B. Taking square to both sides, because in the question they mentioned that evaluate square. So that's why we took the square of both sides. You cannot write the square only one side, because this is equation. So that's why if we taking the square, we take the square to both sides. 53 whole square is equal to 50 plus 3 whole square, and you see 50 plus 3 is the shape of the formula a plus b whole square. By using formula a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. According to our question, A is 50 and B is 3. So in the formula, instead of A you put 50 and instead of B you put 3. Simply we write there A square, I write 50 square, then B square plus 3 square, then 2AB, 2 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 3. When we calculate the numbers, take the square, add all the numbers, we got 2809, 28,009. And for the verification, you can directly take the square of 53 by your calculator and you see that the answer will be same. But you cannot solve this directly. We will do all these steps in the questions. Yes, now come to the part 4. 1006. 1000 plus 6. Student, if it is difficult to you to find the factor of the numbers, to find the sum of two numbers, you see that 1006 on the ones place I put there 0 and I add 6 in it. So it will be easy to you. 1000 plus 6. Again you see this is the shape of which formula, A plus B whole square. The both numbers are same alike, A plus B. According to our question, A is 1000 and B is 6. And there is positive sign in between it. So again we apply the formula A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now instead of A you put 1000. 1000 square plus 6 square plus 2 into 1000 into 6. When we take the square of the 1000, the zeros will be 6. And then 36 and multiply 2006, 12,000. When you add it, the answer 1,12,036. Again, you can verify your answer by taking the square 1006 directly by your calculators. If they mention you also, I told you that you can do these questions by using positive and negative, both the formulas. At the end, the answer will be same. But in the question, if they mention that apply this formula, plus formula or minus, then you will be bound to apply that one. Otherwise, it's up to you. You can do the question in both ways. Now come to question 2. Evaluate each of the following. 57 whole square, 95 square, 598 square, and 1997 whole square. Again, they didn't mention here the formula, but we did question number 1 with plus and we do this one with the minus. Evaluate each of the following. 95 whole square, again I write here some factors of 95. Factors mean I write those two numbers which we add or subtract and we got 95. 100 minus 5, 90 plus 5, 98 minus 3, 92 plus, and so on. We have infinite number. We add or subtract, then we got 95. Because in question 1, I apply positive formula plus formula A plus B. So here in this question, I am applying negative formula because both formulas will recall to you. 95 whole square is equal to 100 minus 5. Now, according to our question, A is 100 and B is 5. Now, we will apply the formula A minus B whole square. This is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. See, both the formulas are same, plus and minus. Only the sign of negative and positive with 2AB. Otherwise, A square and B square, they both are positive in both formulas. Only the term of 2AB is positive and negative according to the formula. Now, instead of A, you put 100 and instead of B, you put 5. 100 square plus 5 square minus 2 into 100 into 5. After the calculation, after taking the square plus and minus the numbers, we got 9,025. And this is the square of 95. Again, you can verify your answer by taking the square of 95 directly. I did 4 part for you, 1997 whole square. Now there are four digits in the question, 7991. So we subtract 2000 minus 3. 2000 minus 3 whole square. When we take the formula a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. According to our question again, a is 2000 and b is 3. So we put the values according to the formula. Instead of a, you write there 2000. Instead of b, you put 3. 2000 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 2000 into 3. After the calculation, we got the answer. You see on the screen. And you also verify your answer. What? Yes, by taking the square of 19,097. 1997. Ji beta, now come to question 3. Evaluate 46 into 4, 197 into 203. Two numbers are given and in the form of product. If you remember, on the third place, we write the formula a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. 50, 46 and 54. You always see the bigger number, the largest number. In 46 and 54, the largest number is 54. So first we make the parts of 54. We divide this into two parts and then we come to the smaller number. 54, we can write 54 as 50 plus 4. With both number you subtract and you see you will got the smaller one. 50 minus 4, 46. It means both numbers will be same, only the difference in between the sign of these numbers. 50 minus 4, we got the smaller number. 50 plus 4, we got the bigger number or larger number. Now according to our formula, A is 50 and B is 4. Instead of A, you put 50 and instead of B, you put 4. 50 square minus 4 square. The square of 50 is 2500 and square of 4 is 16. Subtract these two numbers and you will got your required answer. And you also again verify your answer by multiplying 46 and 54. You see in any question, the statement of question 1, 2, 3, they didn't mention that use which formula over there. But when you see the question, then you will decide by yourself which formula we can apply in this question. So you should be very careful about the formulas and you learn the formulas by heart. Yes, part 4, 0.96 multiply 1.04. Again, the larger number is 1.04. It is very easy to make the factor of this 1 plus 0.04 simply. And when we subtract these two numbers, we got 0.96. In our question, A is 1 and B is 0.04. According to the formula, A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. So instead of A, you put 1 and then instead of B, you put 0.04. 1 minus 0.0016. When we simplify, we got our answer. And students, when you are taking the square of 0.04, you see on your calculator screen, the answer is 1.6 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 3. 10 raised to the power minus 3 means you will write 20. After the decimal 2, you will write 20 and then 1.6. Instead of 1.6, you write there 16. So 0.0016. Don't write the actual answer that come on the screen of your calculator. Okay? Because 10 raised to the power minus 3 means we will write 20 over there. And then you, after subtracting, you got your answer. And you can also verify this answer by multiplying 0.96 and 1.04. These all three formulas are a review of your previous class 7. In question 4, three parts are given: x square plus 1 over x square, x plus 1 over x is given, and the second part x minus 1 over x is given, and again x minus 1 over x is given, but we calculate x4 plus 1 over x4. The formula is the same that we have done in the previous, but only instead of a we write here x, and instead of b we write here 1 over x. Otherwise there is no change in the formula. Yes students, part 1. Find the value of this when x plus 1 over x is equal to 7. By the same procedure, x plus 1 over x is equal to 7, we taking the square to both sides. I told you because there is equation, so we take the square to both sides, not only the one. X plus 1 whole square is equal to 7 square. Now you know the formula: x plus 1 over x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 over x square plus 2. And the square of 7 is 49. Now this is plus 2. When we shift plus 2 to the other side, the sign will become negative. X square plus 1 over x square is equal to 49 minus 2 and 47. This is our answer. X square plus 1 over x square is equal to 47. You see how much easy is this? Only you put the formula, you shift 2 to the other side, and you got your answer. But it is necessary that you know about the formula. Come to the next part. This is x minus 1 over x is equal to 3. No change, only the change with the sign of 2. Otherwise, all the steps are same. In the first step, we take the square, then we write the formula, then we open the square to both sides, and at the end we shift 2 to the other side, and we got our answer. X minus 1 over x is equal to 3. We take the square to both sides. X minus 1 over x whole square is equal to 3 square. The square of 3 is 9. And when we open the formula, x square plus 1 over x square minus 2, we shift minus 2 to the other side. 9 plus 2, 11. And we got our answer: x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 11. Either in the question x minus 1 over x is given or x plus 1 over x is given. In both cases, x square plus 1 over x square will be unknown, because when you apply the formula, the sign will be changed only with the constant term. There is no change the sign in between x square and 1 over x square. Is it clear? Okay, come to the last part. In this again x minus 1 over x is given, but the power of x4 plus 1 over x4. Unknown power is x4. The first step will be same. We take the square of both sides. X minus 1 over x is equal to 1. X minus 1 over x whole square is equal to 1 square. When we write here the formula, x square plus 1 over x square minus 2 is equal to 1. The square of 1 is always 1. Then we shift minus 2 with 1, 1 plus 2. Because when we change the side of 2, the sign will also be changed. Now we have x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 3. But this is not our required. In the question, x4 plus 1 over x4. So to make the power of x4, we take again the square of the answer. X square plus 1 over x square is equal to 3. Again you take the square of both numbers, both sides. X square plus 1 over x square whole square is equal to 3 square. Now instead of x square, the value of the x become 4. x4 plus 1 over x4 plus 2. There is no change with the constant term 2. It will be same. Only the power of x will be changed. No change of sign. Only the power will be changed. I am repeating again and again. When you take the square of x square, there is only the change in the power of x, no change in the sign and with the constant term. So x4 plus 1 over x4 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now we shift again 2 to the other side. 2 become minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. X4 plus 1 over x4 is equal to 7. Is it clear to you? Easiest exercise is this. You will do the practice of all the formulas again and again. Learn all these formulas by heart and do the question by yourself. All the questions that we have done in the homework or in the classwork. Yes, now come to the last slide. This is your homework. Exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Part 2 and 3. I did 1 and 4 for you. Then question 2. 1 and 3, and in question 3 second and third part you will do by yourself. Question 4 I done all the parts for you, and I also mentioned the question, the statement of the question in the lecture. So if you don't have the book, you can take the um, questions from there and you will simplify it. um, have a nice weekend and enjoy the Ramadan. Thank you, student. Okay, Allah Hafiz.